Hey guys, today we're in Busan on Haeundae Beach in South Korea. Today we'd like to ask from foreign people and Koreans about Uzbekistan and about people in Uzbekistan. Really? So, I'm going to ask you a question about Uzbekistan. Okay. We are from Uzbekistan, from Central Asia. I hope you know about it a little bit. So the first question is going to be, do you know about Uzbekistan? If you know, yes or no, whatever you...
I don't know a lot about Uzbekistan. I know vaguely where it is, yes.
Do you know Central Asia?
A little bit, yes.
No.
Do you mean where it is? Yeah, of course.
No, but do you know something about Uzbekistan, capital city, or about its people?
Oh gosh. I've seen people from Uzbekistan on Korean TV
oh, really?
speaking Korean, but yeah.
That's all you know about Uzbekistan?
I don't know a lot about Uzbekistan.
Where are you from?
Sorry, I'm from Canada.
Oh, Canada.
Yeah.
Oh, we know about Canada. Lot. Thank you.
Sorry.
Where are you from?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Do you know about Central Asia?
A bit.
It's next to China. You know about China. We are going to actually ask some questions related to Uzbekistan or Kazakhstan. The country is related to Central Asia. If you don't know much. That's fine. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. See you. Hello. Oh, you speak English. Can we record it? Actually, we're making a YouTube video about Central Asian countries. May I ask some questions? Do you know about Uzbekistan?
I've only heard about it.
You heard about it. So do you know its capital city or its food, people? Do you know about Uzbekistan? No?
I don't live here, I'm a tourist.
Oh, that's fine. I'm going to ask some questions.
No, thank you.
You do. Oh, of course. We are making a YouTube video about Central Asian countries. Don't you mind to answer some questions if I ask you? Okay.
Okay.
So do you know about Uzbekistan?
Yes, I do.
So where is located?
It's located in Eastern Europe.
Oh, it's not actually. So do you know about its language and its people?
Well, I went there, but I not really. I did not speak their language.
Oh, yeah, sure. Where are you from?
I'm from Africa,
Which country in Africa?
Nigeria.
Oh, Nigeria. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you for. Muammolarimizni davom ettirmoqdamiz. Ozginagina qiyinchiliklarga duch keldik to'g'risi. Ko'pchilik koreyaliklar ingliz tilini yaxshi gapirishmaydi. Biz koreys tilini yaxshi gapirmaganimiz uchun, lekin davom ettiramiz. Umid qilamizki, ko'proq savollarimizga javob olamiz.